Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Myntri rangba ke jela ukondut ke sangma menta kesingi ke khatwei tarik ukala lingkot arhajar arpulai hadin baladap ke jingelang ke Kynhun Myntri ula kren bekila pathai kubor ba ulaya thu bahapo ke jingelang kilaya kren ru Halor kumno bante lakam yu Drok ubala pensniu ya ke emlang ke salang. Nakaliang ukondut ula ongru baki tenak terekam beper kidang Shimkhia hakaban bu ikijaka sumar nakabenta kibri kibalangop hakijat jingdi penbu aj haringkat ke jinge trelang bat ketenat pulet jong ke jela kenang banla ban penlong ya ke jela Meghalaya kabakhut no Drok. Syuk ukondut ulaya thu bahapo ke jinge lang la ai ke Jingmynjur syaka drug reduction elimination and action mission ban syim yakimat Halor ban Pynduh ya ke Jingkyrni Drok.
Which is a dream mission, which is again a goal and a target by the government to ensure that this particular aspect of substance abuse is taken up in a much more structured manner and in a mission mode manner. And hence this will be worked by taking all different departments into confidence and different aspects of rehabilitation centers, of giving counseling, along with working with the police department on how to ensure that the inflow is contained, and all other aspects that are to do with substance abuse have been worked out in detail in this mission mode program, and the objective of course is to make Meghalaya drug free.